Hey guys, welcome to Old Guy's Garage. We're out here in Arizona and took a road trip to visit my daughter, and in the middle of the road was a trailer hitch, and it happened to be sticking straight up, and I didn't have a chance to get out of the way or swerve because we were doing the speed limit, of course, and thought we got through it clear. It hit the bottom of the car. Turns out it hit the oil pan, of all things. Hit the oil pan, so we pulled over to get some gas, and next thing you know, there's a puddle of black oil under the car, and so we got towed the rest of the way to my daughter's house. And I was looking forward to about a week off of not having to work on cars, and here I am working on our BMW. So today in this episode, we're going to show you how to do a JB weld on an oil pan to hopefully fix the crack so I can drive home to back to California. And if it doesn't work, I'll be selling a BMW real cheap. Stay tuned.
What is up, guys?
Here's the car we're working on today. It's only got 100,000 miles on it. It's a 2002 BMW 325 Ci. It's a convertible. And just did all the body work on the front. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's all primered gray. That fender's like totally straight. Hood's really in good shape now. It's all straight. Had a couple little dings in it. So had to go to the store and get a jack and jack stands because my daughter just moved here, so praise the Lord, the jack was on sale today. All right, stay tuned, we're gonna jack it up. I just wanted to let you know too, we have these awesome shirts available. They're real lightweight and airy, and they look super cool. That's our logo, Old Guy's Garage. You can go to castyworks.com. I'll put them in the link. My brother Mike is sponsoring us to do this. So if you like hot rod gear, t-shirts, hats, mugs, you can get our shirts there as well as a bunch of other hot rod stuff that he designs. So my son-in-law just moved to this home, but I don't think he was planning on buying jack stands and a jack this time so soon, but here they are. Now he can work on his cars in here. Welcome to Old Guy's Garage. You know, that's how life happens too. You know, you never know what's going to happen. And now we're stuck working on the car, but we're going to make the best of it. Get it done. Alright, so there's the oil pan. Where that circle is, you can see a drip hanging off. The crack is right in front of that, and you can kind of see a strike mark where the trailer hitch hit. And then there's actually a crack right there on the south side of that circle. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me try and hold the camera. Yeah, now you can see it. Right here. There's a crack in the pan. I feel a crack right here. Crack goes around the side a little bit. Goes here, here, and all the way to about right there. Jeez. I'm gonna have to get it clean and get it really clean and then get it sanded so the JB Weld sticks to it. Alright, I'm gonna get to that. Start spraying it, cleaning it. Let's get it wiped off first. Make sure none of it, the rest of it has been hit. Our sensor looks like it's okay. It's pretty much leaked out. We actually got towed 179 miles. Thank God for AAA. We've been Premier members for 19 years. So you can see the crack goes right down here, around the quarter a little bit, and then right there. And I might take a hammer and then hit that a little bit. I don't know. That might not be a good idea. So we got brake parts cleaner, Super Tech. It was like $2 from Walmart. Woo! High in ether. And it's 106, so that stuff's evaporating real quick. And you can see the damage really clear now. Jeez. Well, if JB Weld fixes that, man, it'll fix anything. We'll give it a shot. We'll do some sanding, get that clean. Got some 80 grit sandpaper. It's pretty rough. You can see it. That should scratch it up good enough for the JB Weld to stick. But I keep spraying it with that cleaner and it still feels oily. So hopefully we get this scratched up and then get it clean. And keep in mind I'm filming this all upside down. So here it is, scratched up with 80 grit. Much cleaner. Still going to go a little further. I'm going to fill in all of that area around that circle, and I got to get all that little dirt out of there so the JB Weld sticks. And then I'm going to wrap it around the corner right here, all the way up into here. I'm going to put a thin layer of JB Weld on all that, and then thicker right over the cracks, and then right over that. And then we're going to be here in town for about 4 or 5 days. Hopefully I'll be able to drive this around for a couple of days to see if it's going to hold before we go back across the desert. Alright, let's do a little more sanding, and then we'll put some JB Weld on there. Here it is, from my view, sanded. See that crack there, that crack there, and a big old one there, and I got pretty much, let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. And then a little piece actually fell off while I was sanding it, that little section right there. So let's go ahead and mix up some JB Weld. We're going to wash it off one more time, sand it one more time, and then mix up some JB Weld and see if we can get it to stop. Alright guys, so here's what I got. I got some JB Weld. We're going to mix these two together on this. I'm going to use this to mix it with, and then I'm going to use this as an applicator to apply it, and I cut it off that box right there. So let's get mixing. Alright guys, there's the finished product. It's not real pretty, but it's pretty thick right there. And we're going to let that seal up, dry up, and then sand it down a little bit, and then put one more coat of JB Weld on over that in the same spot tomorrow. Hey guys, thanks for watching all the way to the end on this episode. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That helps us with YouTube and getting more likes and more popularity on the channel. Also, if you like the videos that we're doing, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to, you can hit the post notification, which is a little bell, and that will let you know the second we release a video and you can watch. So, hey, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate your subscriptions. Stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to show you how to do the second portion of the JB Weld, which is going to be just like the same, but we're going to see if it works. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see if it leaks. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.